Today we're installing a battery in a 2016 Mazda CX-9. For this project, you would need a 10mm socket or wrench to begin with this project. The first step that you want to do is you want to take off the battery bracket as seen in the video. Okay, the next step is you want to disconnect the negative terminal, which is also known as the ground. Just turn your wrench or your 10mm socket clockwise until you feel that bolt loosen up. Then you want to proceed to the third step of taking off the positive terminal. It's a very simple process. Just turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up. You'll be able to remove the positive terminal from the post itself. And today we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2016 Mazda CX-9. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation with a Z. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel itself, because we are uploading daily videos, all types of installs, recycling, how to recondition batteries, how to get into the business, the environment, all related dealing with batteries. So what you want to do first, you want to go ahead and get your battery bracket back over the battery itself. Once you get that done, then you can proceed to connect the positive and the negative terminals. Use your socket or your wrench to tighten up those bolts on the battery bracket. So we tightened up the positive. Next, you want to tighten up is the negative, which is the last step of this project. Just use your 10mm socket or your wrench to tighten up that bolt. This is exactly how you install a battery in a 2016 Mazda CX-9. Thank you for visiting Battery Guyz Nation with a Z.com. We definitely appreciate all the viewership.